discuss about the topic for today about the favorite movies that we tend to watch every day. And I just know it with my friends from Japan that really likes to show their attraction or their keen on of the movie that show like without romantic and horror, right? Without romantic and horror. And for me, I would like to go for Harry Potter because it is really I really admire the accent first and then
Harry Potter.
yeah, because British is my life. I love British, and then the other is Sherlock Holmes because it's a puzzle movie that can can take our energy to think hard about the case that we have to solve in the real life. And I think animation is the second optional for me if I can't watch in daily life, and I will choose animation movie because animation in the comedy actually, and because animation and comedy can reduce my bad feelings sometimes, can make it fun so to face real life. And yeah, I think it's enough. I think it's enough for me for my introduction first, and thank you.
Thank you.